The Lagoon 55 is a new model from Lagoon, first launched in 2022. In this video, I'm going to take you on a walkthrough through the 2024 model. It's the 5-cabin version that I saw at the Miami Boat Show. All right, this is a brand new Lagoon 55, their newer model here, kind of their higher end stuff. I'm going to take you on board. Has a lift right here. Oh, it's not open yet. Yeah, it is. Has a lift right here. Coming up, nice spacious, kind of open cockpit back here. It's nice. I wouldn't mind some seating in the back over here by the lift, but I can understand why they don't want to do that. You kind of walk up in from there. One thing I don't like about this is that you can only access the helm from one side, on the port side over there. You can't do it from the starboard side, but a lot of nice space here. And it opens up, the door opens up really wide into the salon. And a nice big salon, chart table there. I can see that being like a desk. Pretty open. I think I would maybe put an island in here or something, but refrigerator, is that the only refrigerator I see? Maybe they've got another refrigerator hidden somewhere, but I don't know, it's all right. I mean, I would love to see, like everybody else is doing, put a door into the front. I mean, so it'd be nice, and then you can have more open air. I think this window does drop down so that you get lots of airflow through, which is not bad. We'll go down the starboard side. Oh, they're cleaning that one. We'll go over the port side first, and down in here. Going aft is a nice big cabin. Bed turned sideways, but it gives you a lot of space to walk around, so that's not bad. And it has its own head. Coming forward, another VIP. Oh, it does have a full-size refrigerator down. That's interesting. I was just saying how there wasn't enough refrigeration upstairs, but they do have a refrigerator down here. So that gives you a little bit more space, and then I'm assuming a freezer down here, which is nice. Okay, that's a little bit of leaving concern, although it is kind of a hassle having to come downstairs every time you want to go to the refrigerator. Another cabin forward, a little bit smaller bed, the cutout's a little more, and then a head up front. All right, so then, and I guess there's storage along the side here. We'll go over to the porch. Oh, sorry guys.
Let's come on up here.
That's all right, come on.
Let him out first.
All right, thanks guys. Appreciate it. I'll enjoy. And then coming over to the starboard side. Oh, they're still cleaning. Coming up now though.
Sorry, friend.
No, you're good. How you doing?
Yeah.
Sure.
Just mind the carpet down there.
All right, yeah, sure. All right. Coming down on the starboard side, we'll turn aft. It's got a bunk room here for kids, I guess, and it has its own head. And then forward to another cabin. I think the carpet's a little wet, so I don't want to step on it. And then it has its own head here. So that leaves me to believe there's another cabin that you access from the outside back there. We'll go take a look. So yes, there is another cabin here. It's not open, is it? Let's open that. That you access from the outside. And then you come on down in here. Kind of a smaller cabin, not real big, but it does have its own head. All right. Hey, so it is a 5-cabin version. All right, the only downside I can see here is that, oh, go ahead, sorry. Good, thank you. The only downside I can see here is that when that door is open, you can't access the bow from the stern. So you gotta go around the port side to come up to the bow area here. Well, there's people up there, so I'll go up to the helm station first, but I can't access from the port side and I can't access the starboard side. The only way to access the helm is to go in through the cockpit, or you got to duck your head like I'm about to do to come up here. And then come on up to the Flybridge. How you doing? Nice little lounge up front. You know, decent amount of space up here for hanging out. I don't mind it, especially if you got like a kind of an isinglass enclosure in here to maybe keep some of the wind or the cool air out. And it does have another sun pad on the back here. You got this set up as a refrigerator here. Is this a grill? That's a sink. I guess you could probably put a grill here if you wanted to, but they've just got theirs set up as a sink and refrigerator. The helm station, it does have has a bow thruster built into it. Electronic controls, which you'd want to do on a boat like this when you can't see the stern. So like I can't see the stern from the back, except for maybe on this side. I can kind of lean over. That's still hard to see. You'd want to get a yacht controller on this boat, which is like a remote control for the boat. Then powered winches and everything. Raymarine, I'm not a big fan. but it is what it is. All right. Oh, and then you see a sunshade up there. I'll take you up to the bow. Hey, how's it going, guys? Good, thanks. And take you up to the bow real quick. Ow. All right, nice big lounge area, big trampoline, nice seating. It's not bad. I can see that being a very comfortable spot. And it has these retractable poles that come up right here. Looks like they're carbon fiber, and you've got like this awning over it to keep you nice and shady, which is definitely necessary. Most of the time, I honestly, these seats don't get used a whole lot because of that. It's too sunny or too windy or whatever, and so no people sit there. They sit on the back or in the shade. But so there it is. I'm sure more storage or captain's quarters in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's just storage in there. You can make that a captain's quarters if you wanted to. And let's go to the other side. Okay, I don't like this here. There's no real step down in there without stepping on the cushions. So if I want to step down here, it's a bit slippery coming onto this, which I don't really like, or you have to step onto the trampoline. But let's go over here to this side. I'd like to have one of these as a step to get through. And then we'll go into this side over here. And that's just storage as well. Overall impressions on the boat, you know, I like the design mostly. There's a couple, I still wish they would put a door on these on these lagoons. They just won't change that. I like the Flybridge area. I do not like the fact that there's only one way to access the Flybridge, and it's only through the cockpit. You would at least be able to, I would think they'd make it where you could access it through the cockpit, or at least the port side or the starboard side. But you can only access it through the cockpit, or you got to duck down, you're going to hit your head. I do like this innovation here of having the shade. It's not bad. You know, it's not bad. I think they're pretty expensive though. I think they're close to $2 million. So, you know, if you're interested in Lagoon, it's not a bad option for you. All right, thanks for watching. Please click that like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this content, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.